Hey everybody, it's Jared with Ductless Plus. Thanks again for watching the channel. We just finished this new construction barn kind of studio thing. It's pretty sweet. Wait till we walk you in there, we'll show you what's going on. But anyway, this is the outdoor compressor. It sits on that pad. A lot of the times when they do new construction, you can see how they had to do the grading on the ground. So sometimes you do have to come back and re-level your pad. This side is all heavy, it's all compressor, it's pretty much all the guts of the machine. This is just coil and fans over on that section. So the weight of the machine is actually on the right side of it. But anyway, as you can hear, it's not really that loud. This is actually working in full operation mode right now. This project, we did do a new control. It's called the basic wall thermostat. It is wired. I really like it. I thought it was really neat. When you walk up to it, it'll illuminate. It sees you walking up, so it's not always on. So that is kind of cool feature, and I do think it's a little bit more elegant than the MHK2. The benefit of the MHK2 though is you definitely get that wireless aspect of it where you don't need to run a control wire. But because we had access to all the walls in this area, we totally just ran a quick little standard thermostat wire, an 18.6, and we ran that down and we hooked up the receiver on the NO105 port, and then we also hooked it up at the thermostat. And then wait till you see how elegant these look. They look really, really good. Come on, let's go this way. That's as loud as it gets right there. So as you can see, it's very quiet. But in this studio, there's 4 heads. We got 2 in the bigger area and then 1 for each room. But come on in, take a look. This is really cool. Before I walk up to the thermostat though, maybe the cameraman can pan over and look at the controller before I approach it so you can see how it illuminates. So there's one there, there's a ceiling cassette there, and a ceiling cassette over there. This one watches that thermostat, that one watches that thermostat. So that's how they kind of coordinate. So basically what we're doing in here is we're getting this rotation. We're getting this nice balance of air. That machine's blowing that air, that machine's blowing that air. We're getting that really nice, comfortable air that we're looking for in here. These thermostats are really cool, but come on over here. Maybe you can pan to the thermostat right now and watch as you approach it, see how it lights up. And what's really cool about it is it shows your thermostat temperature and what your set point is. And it's pretty cool. So you get a visual on there versus you didn't get that before. You got the fan switch here, which makes it also a little bit more convenient, automatic. And then these are your different fan speeds. Super cool. This is gonna be your option tab where you can go through and do all kinds of different things with the machine if you wanted. As far as modes, oops, get it right back there. But yeah, it's super cool. And then here you just turn it back down. But as you can see, they were all set at 68. So when they're satisfied, it goes kind of gray. That means it's not under a call for heat or it's getting demand. So as you can see, this thermostat over here, and it's linked to this head. A real important thing, if you look at the head up there, you'll see that there is one light on it. That means it's satisfied at the thermostat. If you didn't have a wall thermostat, that would be an indicator that the machine is satisfied. Again, here's this one. You can see it's satisfied at 68 in the room, and it's set at 69 in the room and set at 68. So, and then we did this room here. Right up there. And then here's the thermostat. You can see that I did give this one a call. So you can see that it is in a call for heat. So you can see that it's highlighted in that light red. And then you can see that the call is set for 70 and the room temperature is 69. Same thing over here. Again, this one's satisfied. Oh no, I actually have this one called too. I did that before so that we can just see it, but yeah, now it's satisfied. So it's a little bit warmer. It's a really cool thermostat.